Olivia's heart raced as she approached the old, abandoned mansion on the outskirts of town. She had always been fascinated by the stories of hidden treasures within its walls, and today she was determined to uncover the truth. With a map in hand and a flashlight in the other, Olivia cautiously stepped inside the creaking mansion. The rooms were dark and dusty, but she could feel the thrill of the adventure coursing through her veins. As she moved from room to room, she carefully examined every nook and cranny, hoping to stumble upon a clue that would lead her to the treasure. After what seemed like hours of searching, Olivia finally found a hidden passageway behind a bookshelf. With a mix of excitement and trepidation, she followed the passageway deep into the bowels of the mansion. The air grew musty, and the sound of her own footsteps echoed off the walls. At last, Olivia reached a small chamber at the end of the passage. She gasped in disbelief as she saw a gleaming chest sitting in the center of the room. With trembling hands, she opened the chest and found it filled with jewels, gold coins, and precious artifacts. Almed with joy, Olivia knew that her treasure hunt had finally come to an end. As she made her way back through the mansion, she couldn't help but feel a sense of accomplishment and pride. She had proven all the skeptics wrong and uncovered the hidden treasure that had eluded so many before her. As Olivia emerged from the mansion, the sun setting in the distance, she knew that she would forever cherish the memories of her adventurous journey. The treasure hunt had not only filled her pockets but had also filled her heart with a sense of wonder and excitement.